Alright, I guess I'll start by taking out all the electronics before I take off the truck. So.
Does Yan call the electronic?
Start, yeah. Yeah. And that's easy though, we don't have to, not there.
Oh. Okay.
I will.
Man, who drives a fucking Miata? You think those are reps? Fuck. It's got a Miata face too. Smiling.
Look at this. Look at this stuff.
Yeah, look at these Audi reps. These are reps for sure.
They are reps.
These are reps of reps.
They're replica replicas made out of replica wheels. they're replica wheels that were made from replica wheels.
Oh.
So that they're even like
Recycling.
Yeah.
Very environmentally friendly.
They're recycled.
They're like recycled replica wheels that broke down, and then they made that replica wheels with.
They're recycled from fence posts.
They're recycled from plastic bottles.
Come on, board director. You can do it.
I don't know what I'm looking at, but hopefully it's right.
I'll keep all the grommets and shit until all the electrics are out. No, I should have probably taken photos. Oh well.
That would have helped. Ooh. Fancy. He's got the yellow Miata, dude.
Oh shit.
Damn, this thing's nice though, right?
From back here.
It sure is nice, right?
Just keep going farther up.
Just keep going farther and farther.
Here is good with no focus.
And
Squint a little bit.
and just close your eyes.
Wow, that's a cool car. Oh wow.
Only people with GT86s can come here.
Audi wheels.
Yes, they have to have Audi wheels.
One of the three records.
That has to be PP.
PP license plate.
Oh shit, he's got the PP license plate. Damn.
See, it was between PP and RB, and I was like, PP is funny, RB is.
Unless you do an RB swap, you can't do that.
These clips do be stuck as if they were never meant to be taken out.
Curious.
Crazy. These clips are really clippy.
That's why they're called clips.
Yo!
Oh baby, a triple!
Shit.
Car's crashed, throw it away.
Throw it out. Start again.
Get a new car, get a GR.
Time to get a Miata.
Yep.
No.
I don't know who Joe Rogan is?
No. I wouldn't have expected Joe Rogan to like Miata.
He likes monkeys and DMT.
Well, and you like Miata. Monkeys and Miatas go hand in hand.
I was thinking, maybe go rally car with a black
It'd still be cool.
Yeah, but rally car doesn't.
Yeah, true.
Do you have anything to like fish the wire?
No. Do I need to fish? I thought we were doing car installs. Take this out now. I go boop boop. And then I go boop boop. And then it'll work. Watch this. I'll just, here, I got it. Don't just pull.
I'll bring all the wires for you.
It'll just work now. Watch. Watch this.
I'll be the wire destroyer. It just works.
You know, it just works.
Barely works.
No, it'll work. Trust. See?
There you go.
See, it just works.
Like Fallout 76, boy, it just works.
All I gotta do, it's super easy. All I gotta do, pop this out, and move it, and then the trunk's off. Trunk. Oh, she's light.
Oh.
She's not that heavy. I
maple right there, dude.
Alright.
Yeah, because you tried to fucking
No.
take your wheels.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I didn't do that.
Let me just try this stock bolt. Gonna try the stock bolts, see if they even work. And they do.
Are you putting on non-carbon fiber bolts, dude?
Dude, I
On
am
a carbon fiber truck.
I'm so sorry. I have offended you with my non-carbon fiber bolts.
Yeah, honestly. This
Please
is honestly.
just like forgive me.
Dude,
It won't happen again.
this is honestly.
This is honestly.
Me.
This is honestly.
Me when I.
When
Me when the.
honestly
Honestly, me when the.
when I your girl though.
Honestly, bro.
For real.
You know what I'm saying?
That's a big cap though.
Nah, man.
On God.
Bro, on jaw.
Yo.
This dude capping.
Not
Well, I do want to
Familiar.
irritate him right now. I think that gap is pretty much like perfect. Damn, that's kind of hot.
Is that OE?
Damn, she be looking pretty good. Damn,
That is actually like
that's hot.
my car is like a different car now.
You can send it. I think I could go. I got some this good one.
Yeah,
I got red.
that's pretty good. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah,
It's kind of sick.
Yeah, that looks good. Damn, big fan.
Is that swag?
I think so.
Swag,
I think so.
hot. Fire though.
Like on God?
Hey. Just remember.
I'll just remember.
Yeah, just remember.
Done. Just
I'd actually love to have like totally detachable fenders on them.
Why?
I just think it's cool. Just be able to
so he
take
can
shit off.
remove them. What else would he need that for?
I guess.
Dumbass.
Idiot. What are you, dumb?
What are you rolling from Supertown? The current economic crisis in Uzbekistan
Yes.
really has hindered our ability to import guava fruits.
I hate it, man. All my fucking guava fruit. I'm down to only one a week now.
Right? Like, imagine being only at one guava fruit a week.
I don't have to
and
imagine.
thinking that's okay.
Okay, I couldn't even imagine that.
The I-5 is a pretty underrated highway.
Yeah. I love highways.
Well, the I-5, you know,
It's my favorite highway.
it's pretty good. It takes me to Seattle. I like Seattle. Seattle's nice. I turned
Gross.
myself in. I'm taking this car straight to the police.
You stinky criminal.
I'm just here to look hot.
Yeah, I was gonna say, this guy's just here to look good.
Shit, you have to come here all the time. Pay for parking.
She's mint. Hey.
She's mint. She opens.
Hey.
She opens. Oh my god. Hey, yo. Whose trunk is that?
Hey, yo. That's Daniel's
Hey, yo.
Got carbon on the
Hey, yo.
Carbon on the trunk though.
Hey, yo, the carbon, though.
Got carbon trunk.
Hey, yo, what are you doing, though?
Hey yo, carbon on the trunk.
Yo, he's got the carbon.
Carbon on the trunk.
Yo,
Trunk with carbon on it.
trunk carbon. Carbon trunk.
Look at Picasso. Look at Picasso.
Wow.